Okay, so this for you who have been watching this video about the 44, the CLAAS 44 baler. This is May of next year. This is 2026 now, and I got the bar bent. I got a new bar made, and I'm installing it right now. Okay, so I'll give you a closer look. As you can tell, the bar is back in there, right? And it had broken here on this end over here, and I don't know if you can see or not. This is a brand new bar. Okay, so I had this bar made and these bearings replaced in here, and this comb here, this big comb which pulls in the hay, right, was bent, and it got unbent, and I was stuck. I didn't know how to do this, and I was trying to get the plate in on this one, and there's no space in between my finger and the wall. But then I noticed over here there's 4 bolts. I can remove this plate, and there's a slot in this piece right here where I can slide my plate in and actually then button it up. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to crack these bolts and take it off. Okay, I'll bring it back when I'm done. Oh, this is the plate that I have to slide in there. See that end? That goes into the bar. And once this plate is off here, I can slide it right into here. It goes through. So got to remove this, and I've put a jack underneath here so it doesn't fall. I hope I don't get my fingers cracked in there somehow, but let's give it a try. So a little bit of, actually I use a deep creep from Seafoam. I don't know if it's better or not, but it works. It's also a lubricant, not sponsored, just like the product. Okay, so now let's give that a few seconds to seep, and let's give it a few seconds to deep creep and see if those things come off. Well, I cracked the first one. It works. There's the wrench. Let's see if I can crack the other one. There. And where is it? I'm gonna have to set the wrench on it. So what you have to remember about this is there's a key. There's a key in this, and that's what keeps the bar lined up with the other side. And there it is. I put a little bit of anti-seize on it. Okay, and I'm gonna get that bar and put it on that shaft. much luck I'm gonna have doing this, but I'm gonna try. And this needs to be supported. And I'm gonna have to get me a little bottle jack to put underneath. So this is all I could find. It's kind of overkill. It's a 20-ton jack. And it's a 50-pound bar. Yep. Something I can put underneath. I didn't know how I was going to get that done. You see it okay? See this, the notch? The key's in. And I'm going to tighten up that 3/4 bolt. Once that's done, I can re-put my plate. And then I got to put this piece here. putting these nuts back on here. And my plate, my bearing is centered. So I'll be able to slide that hub back on there. It's a grease hub, I guess. So I'm actually at the wheel. I'm gonna give it a tap, see if it goes. It's looking a bit better. This won't make it go down, really. It will, maybe I should have left it loose a bit and then tighten it up when everything's... Yeah, I'm gonna loosen it off again. This plate here, I should have tried it on. It still fits. That actually lines up. I'm just gonna try to get... Okay, so got those 4 bolts on, 3 bolts. Now I have to go at the other end there and tighten up that stuff. That one. And up there, I got one more up there to tighten up. Two to tighten up, I think. So, for now, I'm going to tighten up these 4.